Hey everyone, how you doing? We are officially in my Bachelorette prep season. I am getting Botox today, and I'm also on my way to a yoga class. I've been taking yoga as kind of like a way to get in shape. I've been doing yoga, Pilates, and Soul Cycle, and honestly, I love it. I am definitely the type of girl that needs classes to like work out, you know? So I have my yoga Sculpt and Flow right now. It's 7 in the morning. Then I'm going to get my Botox, because you can't get Botox and then work out. You need at least 24 hours. And then we're hopping on a plane at LAX to go to another wedding tonight. So it's a little crazy schedules we got going on here, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. And I'm doing the bride's makeup at this wedding, so I'm really excited. Her name is Malia. I actually did a trial run over on my TikTok, if you guys saw that. And yeah, let's go to hot yoga. I have this thing where I need to get to the yoga class early because I have this one spot that's like super popular. Okay, y'all, we just finished the yoga class. It was so good. I sweat so much. Now I have 20 minutes to go home and kind of eat a little something and then get ready to go to my Botox appointment. I am so excited, okay?
20 minutes later.
On my way to get some Botox. I feel like this whole vlog, I'm just gonna be in the car. Just gonna be in the car this whole vlog. We're going to CASSILETH plastic surgery. Actually, I went there to get my breast reduction revision last July, and I fell in love with Aubrey, who is the aesthetic nurse there that does injections. So I'm really excited that I get to see her today. I want to see what else she thinks I might need, like if there's any filler she might think. But honestly, I feel like we're looking pretty good. Sometimes it's easy to go crazy on those things, you know? Well, you guys definitely know because I had to get my lips dissolved back in 2017. I'm gonna focus on driving. Let's get to Beverly Hills. We have made it. I'm here with Aubrey, and she is marking me up.
For Botox, right?
Yeah, we are doing some Botox.
A little here, maybe a little here, a little brow lift.
Ooh, I would love that. And like, I always like squinch over here.
It's hopefully gonna be sunnier in Los Angeles.
Yeah,
so
yeah, at some point.
Yeah, so we'll give you a little love there too.
Okay.
Perfect. Maybe just a little to take the, I actually like when girls scrunch their nose.
Yeah.
It'll just take the edge off. It won't knock it out completely.
Okay,
but,
love
it'll
that.
soften it, because if you kind of see, when you pull really hard here, if we freeze here and leave this be, I find that this becomes stronger, and that can lead to these under eye lines.
Oh,
So
that's so cool to know.
Treat everything at one time, and it makes it look more natural. It really does.
Okay.
Raise your eyebrows up. Oh yeah. I also like how Botox makes your skin really smooth.
It does. You know? It really does.
Beautiful. Make that angry face for me. So when I do this, I'm looking at her muscles. We have muscles that pull medial, and then we have muscles that pull down. So when we relax this, it helps open up the eye. So we want to look awake, refreshed, and not angry or concerned. Little poke here. People hate the crunchies, but...
No, I like the crunchies. That means it's working.
Right, yeah.
That means it's working.
I have an association with beauty when the crunchies are there, to be honest. Beautiful.
And these bumps go down.
They do. Botox actually comes as a powder. If you ever...
Oh, I didn't know that.
It actually looks like an empty vial when you open it. It's like a...
You're like, wait, where is it?
Yeah, it's a thin layer of powder. So sometimes people will be like, my doctor dilutes my Botox on. Well, you technically reconstitute it. So you sort of do. So I see why people say that. But it makes it so that's an injectable solution. Because we can't really inject a powder.
Right, that makes sense. I love those little crunchy sounds.
Right? But yeah, the bumps are just the solution, and then it dilutes into the muscle and then goes away.
Love.
And some injection points are more superficial or close to the surface. Or if you're thinner, obviously there's less tissue there sometimes, but they go away. But it can be a little alarming if you've never
if you've never gotten it before. The crunchies are normal.
Do you use a retinol ever?
I haven't used one in 2 weeks.
It's okay for this, but sometimes people, like if they have thicker tissue, they have crunchies because they use a retinol. Like if people have really good skin and they're like, their skin's kind of tougher, like with my needle pokes, I'm like, you use a retinol, don't you? I see you. Smile really big or kind of scrunch your face in. So these muscles, it's a big round muscle. So when we relax this, that's what the brow lift is. It's actually one muscle group. So we'll hit that. We'll lift the tail end of the brow here.
Love that. Wow, you're so good. I didn't even feel that.
Yeah, this area is not bad. Fun fact, when I was a baby and checked out, I would always bruise people here. And I would be like so upset with myself because you never want to bruise someone, although it can happen.
Of course.
I actually was just injecting this place really deep. It's the thinnest skin on your body, which is why I don't necessarily always suggest direct under eye filler. Right. Because it is so thin, the muscle's right underneath the tissue, that you don't need to go deep in these areas because the muscle is right there.
That makes sense.
She's right there. Almost done right here.
Wow, she's so fast.
So this is the least fun one.
Okay. Here we go.
Scrunch your nose. Yeah, good. And relax. So I'll usually pull this away and then kind of get these fibers right here.
Oh, that's not bad at all, girl.
Oh, you're so good.
you're so good. I didn't even feel anything.
Like I do all this to myself, so I can totally attest. Like it's a lot of fun spot. But the buzzy is great. If your injector doesn't use a buzzy, I highly recommend. Or if you are an injector, helps.
Yeah, the buzzer is a game changer.
And get all my little white little marks off of her. You should not have any bruises. You didn't bleed at all.
Oh wow. Who is she?
And they go away.
I kind of look like a Marvel villain, you know, like something.
Right?
Okay guys, so we are done. It's gonna take about a week for it to kick in, so I'll still be able to do scrunchies, but by the time I'm ready for my bachelorette, the face will be frozen, so I'll just show you guys then. It's funny because Aubrey does such an amazing job at CASSILETH. I don't even feel any pain. Like, it doesn't even feel like I got anything done. Like, it looks a lot worse than what it is with all these bumps, but the bumps will go down. It's very normal, so don't be afraid if you get Botox and you get bumps as well. This is what happens, ladies and gents. I'm gonna head back to the valley now and get packing to go to another wedding tonight, and I'm gonna drive home now. Hey guys, it's been about a week since I got my Botox. It actually settled in the quickest it's ever been. I swear to you, Aubrey is the best. So my bachelorette is literally tomorrow, and we got some last minute prep to do. I'm gonna go in now and do some of my laser hair removal. This is an at-home one. It's really not that big of a deal. It's not like super strong like the machine ones. So as long as you use sunscreen after you use this, you'll be fine. This is by Kenzie, if you guys are interested. So there is a flash warning, okay? This guy lets off a mean flash. So I'm just gonna get it in the areas that I know my hair grows back the fastest, which is like armpits. By the way, I got this all rash on my arm because I tried a new perfume and it didn't agree with me, so that's lovely. It looks like I have a heat rash. So next I'm gonna do my legs, but I'm not even gonna bother with doing my upper thigh because I barely even have any hair there, and the hair that's there is blonde. So, you know, just in general, blonde hair doesn't work as well as darker hair does when it comes to laser, so it's not really worth it. Also, when it comes to doing your legs, you wanna make sure you're not putting it on any tattoos, because I have a lot on my legs that I have to look out for. Random side note, the only tattoo I ever regret getting is this one right here. It just is so big and like gaudy. It reminds me a lot of like where I grew up in New York. I'm like, ugh, it's giving hometown. The setting that I'm using this on is 4. The strongest is 5. Since I've been in the sun, I don't really want to go 5, but I'll go 4. With these at-home lasers, if you really want to see results, you have to religiously do it every 2 weeks for about a year. I used to get laser done professionally, and that also helps with keeping the longevity of this, but I will say if you've never done laser before, you have to use it every 2 weeks. I'm gonna do my bikini line. Ooh, for this one I make, well, let's see how 4 feels. Doesn't feel great. We'll do 3. I'm only gonna do my bikini line right now because I just don't think it's necessary. I'm literally just doing this as a maintenance to try and make it so that I don't have to shave while I'm there. Yeah, I don't want to do anything crazy before I get on a plane tomorrow, so no hooch lasering for me. The thing I'm dreading doing the most is packing, so let's just get that over with. I'm gonna try on some outfits and show you guys what I think I'm gonna bring. The one thing I am still trying to figure out is what I want to wear on the plane. I would love to have a cute plane outfit, but I also I don't know, I'm not trying to be like, well, I guess I am trying to be extra, but you know, I have a white workout set that I'm thinking of possibly wearing. I have 2 white workout sets, and then I do have my cowboy hat. I don't know how I'm gonna pack that, but I also am kind of feeling like, is it gonna get smushed? But I also don't want to be that bitch with a freaking rhinestone cowboy hat going to Arizona. Like, that is so corny. When I say ye, y'all say ha. Yeah, I cannot wear this through the airport. I don't even know if TSA would approve it. It might be a weapon. I'm gonna lay everything down and try everything on for y'all. So I'm between 2 dresses for the first night. The first night, the theme is going to be come dressed as your favorite version of Nicole. So like, some people are going as makeup Nicole, hot yoga Nicole, astrology Nicole, and I am gonna be bridal Nicole. So I have 2 dresses here. This first one is from Miss Lola, and it's got really cute ruffles. So it's got this high thigh, which I think is really cute, and the ruffles go all the way down to the bottom. So this is option number 1. What do you guys think? Mo, are you sad that I'm leaving you?
Yes, that's why he keeps jumping up on my legs saying, "What's happening?"
He sees the luggage. He sees the luggage.
What's happening?
Oh, you little chicken rat. June couldn't care less as long as she's got some pillows and a blankie. This is dress number 2 for the first night. I gotta show you guys because all the details is at the bottom. This one is from Fashion Nova, and I really love the ruffles on it too, and these little flowers. They are so cute, and the flower necklace. So I'm between these 2. I'm not really sure. I'll probably wind up deciding while I'm there. For the first full day, we're doing a denim brunch, and I have this long denim skirt from Zara and this Skims bralette. This is like super comfortable. By the way, I will link everything down below for you guys as long as stuff is still in stock, but I love this. Actually, this rip was a lot lower, and I actually cut it to be a higher slit because I just felt like it looked awkward because I'm so short. These are the vibes for cowboy night. I also have white boots. This dress is from Miss Lola, and this hat is from Etsy. So again, I'll try to link as much as I can for you guys, but I like this because it has built-in underwear, so you don't have to worry about it being too short on the sides, but I'm obsessed with this. This is from Nadine Marabi, and I think I'm gonna wear this the last night as like the disco night. It's got a lot of shimmers and sparkles, and I love the feathers. It's super, super cute, and I feel like really, really pretty in it, so I really like it. These are also from Nadine Marabi. I have them as like PJs or just chillin', you know, want to get glammin'. Although I don't know if that's a great idea because I am super messy, and I cannot promise that all of these white outfits are not going to be ruined by the end of this trip, but I really love this. Obviously, like everyone and their mothers has these pajamas, but you know, I still love it. Those are the main outfits, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my luggage and let's just get the packing over with because that part always gives me the most anxiety. So let's get this shit over with. Guys, I finished our packing and we're now doing our nails. My friend Alicia is here. She's a bridesmaid. You guys have met her before. We call this the salon because we literally have salon grade quality products here. And we do our own Gel X nails together. You guys saw me do them for the first time ever on YouTube. And ever since then, it's been a match made in heaven.
We do not call ourselves professionals though.
No, we're not professionals.
We're not professionals.
We don't claim that anywhere on our website. So right now I just picked out my Gel X nails and I'm filing down the Gel X.
Is the Stanley Cup required for the nail salon?
Yeah.
It's not only required, it's extremely encouraged.
The Stanley?
However, I don't have one, so I don't know.
Does Starbucks cup count?
Yes. Starbucks
or Stanley, but you're really flexing if you show up with the Stanley.
Yeah.
I do want to know what your most favorite outfit you have planned.
Cowgirl outfit, I think that one's my favorite.
My cowgirl outfit, I feel like it's my favorite, but it also is the most scandalous one.
Oh, okay, slay.
The one that I'm most excited for is
the denim.
No, that's my least favorite. I'm really not looking forward to it.
Gina said, I was like, wait, why did you guys come up with blue denim and wigs? And she was like, I don't know, actually.
The blue, first of all, I know the blue wig is gonna look rancid on me because I can never lay my hair with all this hair.
You don't have to wear, like, the blue wig I feel like needs to be an optional moment.
No, because it's not an option, because we all need to pull up in blue wigs and you're just gonna be
in the platinum wig.
In the platinum one. But I'm least looking forward to the denim fit.
Shit.
It's literally 99 degrees.
It's the devil's anus, as they say.
Yeehaw.
Did you show them?
Oh my god, you look so
the cowboy hat? If it's just
country boy, sing it for me,
what is it?
girl.
Country girl, I love you. No, how does it go?
I don't know that one. I know country girl, shake it for me, girl. That's what you, country boy.
What if you just accidentally forget to pack this?
Do I look like John Dutton? I want to be Beth. Is it giving Beth?
I love you.
No.
Is it giving Beth?
This is definitely not giving Beth.
Beth is my favorite character on that show.
Yeah, my favorite outfit is dress as your favorite era of Nicole.
That I feel like is the coolest, most original. I don't think I've ever seen that done. Like obviously,
on TikTok.
It is on TikTok?
Yeah.
Oh, I've never seen it.
But it's very personal because obviously it's to a specific person.
I'm nervous what people are gonna show up as.
I'm gonna give myself a pat. I think mine will be the funniest. For sure.
I feel like mine is
the most unhinged by far.
I feel like yours is like me, like when you come over my house or something and I look like anus.
No, people are gonna be like, if I go on the street, which is gonna happen,
yeah,
they're gonna be like, what the fuck? But I was like, I don't care. I don't live in this state.
I need to know.
Because everyone's like, oh, like what's an idea? And then, you know, they were coming up with like Steeing Nicole. And I said,
Nicole.
That's predictable. Can't be doing predictable.
No, we need to be extra. I get it.
I said I need to be extra. I need to honestly use this moment to like expose and like bring expose and bring back. Do you think you're gonna have a sentimental moment?
No.
Yes,
I don't
you will.
think so.
Your Cancer rising is gonna.
I don't know. I think
it's gonna hit you and be like, oh, it's so in love.
No, what about like no shot.
It's happening. I'm the love of my life.
No, I'm
Yes.
not. No.
I think there's gonna be a moment, or you're gonna be like, oh my god, I'm surrounded by so much love.
Yeah, I think it's like an overwhelming feeling. Like I think I might feel more of that.
I had a moment the other day where I cry a lot.
She's a Cancer.
I'm a Cancer. I cry weekly. The other day,
Poor thing.
I literally cried. I had no reason. I don't know why. I was like, I'm not angry.
Happens.
I'm not frustrated.
We're also hormonal too. You're not doing long with me.
Don't we do long? Because of my nubby nail.
I have super nubbies as well.
I don't know if I want to expose it to the world. I'm not flicking the camera off.
Yeah, that's just your party trick.
My little nubby nail. It's a little personality trait.
I love it.
It defines me.
It defines me. I will put a band-aid over it and be like, oh, what happened? I'm like, nothing. I'm just ashamed of it.
No, you bring that nubby nail out. It's after midnight and we're still here. So I think it's safe to say we'll show you the nails in the morning and then get our asses to the airport. All right, guys, this is our nail check. We're on our way to the airport. Chloe's too. Chloe's here. We did pearls. Also, we're about one shot in and on an empty stomach, and it's not even 9 a.m. yet.
9 a.m.
I got you a shot.
Oh my God, Alicia, do you want a shot this early?
Don't ask the question. You're the bride. I guess I'll do it.
She'll do it.
No, I can't. I can't. Not the boot. She brought out the boot for Alicia. I'm done.
No, we come.
All right, guys. Well, Riley's driving us to the airport, dropping the kids off.
Bachelorette weekend. Woo!
We're gonna have a chaperone.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching the Bachelorette prep. Stay tuned for the Bachelorette vlog, and I will see you guys next time. Also, if you like what you see, please consider subscribing.